if the management system generates alarm for 204 to 5 device faults. You can take these actions. Log into the app. Choose Commission Device. Scan the QR code on the Smart Assistant to log into the device. On the home screen, tap Maintenance. Choose Upgrade. Select the upgrade file and tap Next. Tap Upload after checking that the target version is correct. Wait until the upgrade package is uploaded. Tap Update now. The update task is created successfully. The WLAN connection can be disconnected during the update. Tap OK. Wait until the upgrade progress reaches 100%, which means that the upgrade is complete. If the alarm persists after the upgrade, perform the following operations. Power off the SmartGuard system. Wait for 5 minutes, and then begin troubleshooting. Turn off the circuit breakers of the SmartGuard. Keep the bypass circuit breaker off. Use a multimeter to measure the resistance between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3. If a short circuit is detected, the neutral wire of the inverter input is short-circuited with that of the backup load output outside the device. 2 separate neutral wire bus bars must be used. Power on the system